everyone, welcome back to CarMexi, your favorite spot for everything cars, tech, and luxury on wheels. Today we're talking about a legend that just got even better, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The name alone carries decades of prestige, but this new model takes that classic formula of comfort, power, and sophistication and pushes it to a whole new level. Right away, the 2026 S-Class makes a statement before you even step inside. Mercedes has refined the design language in subtle but powerful ways. The front end now features a larger grille with a star pattern mesh that immediately draws your eye. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, with a new LED signature inspired by the brand's three-pointed star logo. Around back, the taillights have been completely redesigned with a star-studded LED effect that looks stunning, especially at night. Every line, every crease of the body seems to have been sculpted to give it a more commanding yet elegant presence. Once you step inside, that's where the magic really happens. The interior of the 2026 S-Class is nothing short of breathtaking. You're surrounded by the finest materials, from Nappa leather and natural wood veneers to ambient lighting that reacts to your mood. The centerpiece is the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system, now powered by advanced AI. It learns your habits, predicts your needs, and even controls most functions through natural speech. You can literally say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," and the car adjusts the temperature for you. Rumor has it that Mercedes may even integrate the hyperscreen setup from the EQS, meaning nearly the entire dashboard could become one massive digital interface. Rear passengers aren't left out either, and honestly, this car feels just as good from the back seat. You get reclining, massaging, and heated seats, plus your own entertainment screens and climate controls. It's like a private jet cabin on wheels. Mercedes has always been the benchmark for comfort, and this version of the S-Class reinforces that reputation effortlessly. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class continues to deliver power with precision. Expect options like the S500 and S580, using mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid systems that make performance smoother and more efficient. The air suspension has been re-engineered for an even softer, more adaptive ride, while advanced safety and driver assist systems like Drive Pilot take semi-autonomous driving to new heights. In some regions, the car can even handle highway driving on its own under certain conditions, a glimpse of what's coming in the future of mobility. Mercedes has also added more customization through their manufacturer program. You can choose from over 50 paint colors, a wide range of trims, and even bespoke interior themes. This means no two S-Class models need to look the same, each one can truly reflect the owner's taste and personality. So, what does all this mean? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a